Hello and welcome back to the channel. Let's just jump right into the charts. There is no time for any introductions here. So this is Bitcoin on the 4-hourly time frame. We do see a descending triangle here. So we know that descending triangles turn to break to the downside and ascending triangles turn to break to the upside. Now you see here that Bitcoin painted a double top here, which it is trying to escape it, but it will go down there. So we see two triangles here, and the first one will give us a price target of $40,000 and the second one will give us a price target of $37,000. Now it is very funny that $37,000 is something we have been talking about for the longest time ever on this channel, and we know exactly what $37,000 will mean for the Bitcoin price and for the price of the entire crypto market. Now if we look here, we will see that Bitcoin on the daily time frame is actually forming a double bottom. So we can see here that this is the first bottom and it is trying to form a double bottom right here, and this double bottom should lead us to a price target of $46,000. Now $46,000, remember, it will not break out from here, it could break out from here. $46,000 will mean that Bitcoin has gone out of this falling wedge here. Now if you look at this falling wedge, you will see a double bottom, if that is how we could call it. We could see this on the falling wedge. Now the price target for that, even if you don't even look at it as a double bottom, will be, that is if Bitcoin is breaking from here, will be $51,000. Now what confirms that Bitcoin could go this high? If we go now to the weekly time frame right here, we will see, ladies and gentlemen, we will see a bullish engulfing pattern. As I said, this is a very time sensitive video, so we will see a bullish engulfing pattern right here. This is the pattern. We should all be aware of this. This is the pattern right here. So this bullish engulfing pattern will have enormous repercussions for the price of Bitcoin and the entire crypto market. So here's another thing that I want to show you. This right here is the Bitcoin dominance chart, and we can see that Bitcoin has painted a double bottom for Bitcoin right here, for Bitcoin dominance, and this double bottom indicates that Bitcoin could go right up to 42.37%. This simply means that money will be flowing from altcoins into Bitcoin, so you will not want to be in the altcoin, that money will be flowing from it into Bitcoin. All of this seems to paint a very bullish picture, doesn't it? However, we do see that Bitcoin broke out of this support line right here. Now this support line was held by the previous low here. So this previous low, we remember this is the first low, this is the higher low, and this was supposed to be another higher low. And so all of this paints a bullish picture, because bullish pictures mean that we are having higher highs and higher lows. But if we break this higher low, it will confirm that we are in a downtrend right here, although we knew all along that we are in the downtrend. We also see here that Bitcoin broke out of this ascending wedge here, and the price target for that is $37,000, which means our first price target, if we are to consider dollar cost averaging, is $37,000. Now the worst case scenario which we take from this head and shoulders pattern right here on the weekly is $20,000. And we know that if Bitcoin goes down to $20,000, it may not just stop there. Remember, about an 80 to 85% drawback from $69,000 will put Bitcoin at about $14,000, and there are a lot more other things that will happen if Bitcoin goes that low. So if our first price target is $37,000, it means that we should start dollar cost averaging heavily in that $37,000. And if Bitcoin is to go up next week from here, then we should see the worst of it this week. Well, the pre-worst of it this week. So ladies and gentlemen, this is what I would do. If Bitcoin drops down to $40,000 and goes down to $37,000 as we have seen before, then I would be dollar cost averaging into altcoins. Now, not any type of altcoin. Remember that in the Bitcoin dominance chart, Bitcoin could go up to 42%. Normally 42% or 43% is not bad at all. Altcoins can rally at that rate. Altcoins can rally with Bitcoin being that dominant. But the problem here is we are in a bearish trend. So whatever money comes from altcoins into Bitcoin will affect those altcoins a lot. So you can't compare the two scenarios. If you were in a bull market, then it may not affect the alts as much as it would in a bear market. And it is sad to say we are in a bearish trend right now. That's clear here. We see that we broke the previous low right here. So this has been confirmed as a downtrend, and everything here paints downtrend. However, we know that we should have a green candle next week. I called the other green candle this week right here. I told you guys that we're going to have a green candle. This was it. After that, we had a red candle and a red candle. I do think we will have a green candle next week. What I'm looking to do here is that I try to sell the top. And I will also go into some ecosystems that I know could make some significant gains. And I've been telling you about AstroSwap. This is just to say that next week might be bullish. Know that all of this is a probability. There is no assurance here. And this is not financial advice. I'm just entertaining you with charts. If at all you can consider this entertainment. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. This was a quick heads up on what is going on in the markets, where Bitcoin might go, where the markets are going, what might happen, what might not happen. As you know, I have been making a list of 5 cryptos that I know will do a killing this year, and it is taking a lot of work. So just bear with me. I will make a video about that as soon as I am done. And I am also putting together a video of for updates. I would like to start making videos of coins that I talk about on this channel. So maybe like once a month or twice a month, I make a video dedicated only for updates about the coins that I know I have talked about, because I know you guys hold a lot of coins that I have talked about here. So I will try to be making videos about those coins on the channel. So thanks so much for watching the video. I will see you in the next one, and until then, stay safe.